Hey guys, so welcome back. I don't know if this is going on IGTV or on YouTube, or maybe both. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, I want to come on here and show you guys the Fab Fit Fun box for fall 2019. I may not look very fallish. We're still in the hundreds. It still feels like summer. I cannot wait for fall. I cannot wait for lots of fall things. You know, scarves, jackets, coats, holding hands, hot chocolate, all that good stuff. But anyways, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. This is a big box. Ooh. So this is a huge box. This is my first ever box with Fab Fit Fun, and I'm so excited. Also, I have a coupon code for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and just mention it right off the bat. Let me find it real quick because I don't want to give you the wrong information. So you guys can see it on the screen. It is Miss Maddie with 3 S's, 10. So Miss Maddie 10 for a 10% off your Fab Fit Fun subscription or order. And let's just get into it because I'm pretty sure I remember picking some stuff, but I honestly can't 100% remember what I chose. So right off the bat, we have a discount code for, there's another discount code for the Fab Fit Fun, so I'll put that down as well. I also got an $80 gift card for HelloFresh, which I've seen a lot around the interwebs. We got a little magazine. So we got a magazine, and I think this is the one for it's like women CEOs and like women in charge. Also everything that's in the box as well. So something smells really good. So right off the bat, so I'm gonna try to lift this up again. So Jesus. So this is the box. We got a lot of good stuff. Let me turn the page again to where everything was. So right on top we have some gold eye masks from Wander Beauty. I really like these. I actually think I got these in the different in a different subscription box before, and I really like these. I like to keep mine in the fridge. They're honestly so good. How many packs are in here? Oh my god. They're 5 packs. So pretty good deal already. So you have all of the Wander Beauty eye packs. The thing that I see in here is from Avita, and it is the Damaging Daily Repair Remedy, which my hair's been doing pretty okay, but I could use a hair mask right about now. And you get 3.4 fluid ounces. The thing that's in here, and I absolutely love these. I think they are game changers when it comes to your hair. Trust me, I've been growing out my hair for like 4 years, taking hair gummies and everything, but it wasn't until I started using these, which is a hair wrap, and they are a microfiber material. And so this is what it looks like, and you wrap it and then you like tie it, and it's softer on your hair. It won't pull it out. It won't they're just so good. I'm really happy that this came in the box because I love these. I have like 3 of them, so one more. I'm not mad at it. So that is really cool, and this is from the brand After Spa. The next thing that's in here is from the brand Cosmetic. It says Vitamin C Mixing Crystal. What does that mean? So it just says to add a crystal to your night moisturizer, or you know, your nighttime thing, and I'm gonna use it. It's $54. That's pretty good, and I'm all about hydration, getting my skin nice and good. The next thing that's in here is from Humankind, and this light and fluffy souffle absorbs to leave your skin feeling super moisturized. The next thing that's in here, which is what smells so good. This is $16, and they are sugar scrubs. So you take one of these in the shower, you rub off all the dead skin. I can get on board with this. I need to really do one of those scrubs because this summer has been pretty rough. You know what I'm saying? Super random, and no offense, Fab Fit Fun, but I will probably re-gift this. So hopefully whoever I re-gift this to won't see it. This is a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese cutter from Twin Living. Last but not least, the last thing that is in here is a travel yoga mat, and this is from Anthropologie, and it retails for $50. So that is everything that is in my fall 2019 Fab Fit Fun box. That's actually really cool. I love how there's like a mixture of lifestyle, beauty, skincare. It's not just makeup, and it's, you know, it's actually really, really cool. So again, thank you so much for Fab Fit Fun for collaborating with me on this campaign. And again, you guys can use my discount code MissMaddie10 to get a discount. So I'm gonna total all of this up and let you guys know what's in the box. I don't even think I mentioned this. Fab Fit Fun is a quarterly or seasonal box. You only get it 4 times a year: summer, spring, fall, and winter. So again, the Fab Fit Fun box is a quarterly subscription box. You get it 4 times a year. It is customizable. You will get some surprise items in your box, but you will also be able to choose what items you want as well. So it retails for $49.99. I do have a discount code, MissMaddie10. You guys are welcome to use it, as well as the other codes I'll link down below for you guys, or put in the description box, or whatever it may be. It is available in the US, I believe in Canada, and the UK, if I'm not mistaken. If anything, I'll leave all that info down below or in my description box. So shipping is free, and it's a pretty cool box. I'm actually really excited. I haven't heard of a lot of these brands. So I'm going to go ahead and total all of this up and let you guys know how much my box was actually valued at. So the total value of my box was $241. So $49, $241, you guys do the math. It's really, really cool. I enjoy this box a lot. I'm excited about a lot of the stuff that are in here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you so much for Fab Fit Fun for sending me the box, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.